digitization to our customers is a tripod. They want to take their current customer experience to new levels. They want to identify new business models and revenue models and arrest any leakages in their current revenue streams. They want to bring in automation and take operational efficiencies to new levels.
We have dedicated India Technology Office and practices. Till the date, we have more than 100 POCs developed from Nagpur and more than 300 POCs developed across India.
Immersive computing, or HCI, significantly enhances human-to-machine interactions. We see that this forms a very important last-mile connect with the end consumer. This has the potential to become core to the next generation of products. This collates a broad set of technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality, voice-first devices. GlobalLogic has competency and specific offering in the immersive computing space. We are working with some industry leaders and offering solutions in domains like retail, automotive, medtech, industrial. Immersive computing coupled with product design takes the customer experience to the next level, and that is what the value GlobalLogic brings to the table.
Alexa, ask Dr. Connect book an appointment with cardiologist.
Sure. For which date?
Tomorrow.
The doctor is available from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Should I book the appointment?
Okay, no issues. Please lock the appointment.
Your appointment with the doctor is booked. Kindly be on time.
Our team at Nagpur is helping the global communication service provider industry to create more customer engaging apps, experiences through smart bots, through self-care application, leveraging our mobility expertise in building the next generation mobility OTT apps. GlobalLogic has created IoT platforms for connected car, connected home, smart cities.
Connected car solution is an end-to-end solution which we have developed for one of our largest telecom giants of the world together with the OEM. The best part about this solution is that this is a highly scalable and an extensible solution which can be used across different platforms of the IoT, something like smart city, home automation, etc.
Hey Alexa, please start the car.
Alexa, set the AC temperature to a requirement, please.
Let's go.
Medical technology has evolved significantly in last decade. GlobalLogic's expertise is major contributor for many global leaders in healthcare industry as we help them transform their legacy medical systems to digitally powered end-to-end solution. Our focus is to bring digital advancement in medical technology through immersive computing. GlobalLogic's quality management program is structured to meet requirements of the ISO 13485, IEC 62304 and ISO 14971 to ensure the quality and the security of the patients.
We now want to take the customer experience to next level with technologies like augmented reality, mixed reality and voice-based interface. At Nagpur, we host Fortune 500 logos for several years now. We are poised to put Nagpur on a global IQ map. Come join us in this transformation journey.